everyone, welcome back to Brittany Olivia, and in today's video we will be making slow cooked beans and rice. This recipe is from Darius Cook's vegan book, Vegan But With Soul, you guys. Let's get right into it. First we're going to need drained and rinsed kidney beans.
Then we have assorted peppers. I buy them pre-chopped from Publix so I don't have to cut them up. Then we have white onions, thyme, bay leaves. I always use pink Himalayan sea salt, black pepper, liquid smoke, red crushed pepper flakes, oregano, smoked paprika, you guys, and some Cajun seasoning as well. Then our olive oil, our veggie stock, garlic is next. I bought it pre-chopped as well. And once again, this is what we're making, the slow cooked beans and rice. After that, you just throw everything in the pot. That's simple, and then let it sit for about 8 hours or so, and check on it occasionally and stir, and that's it, you're done. So I'll be back, you guys, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.